Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to insert a picture into an Excel comment box. Let's get started. At first you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to insert picture into Excel comment box. At first select a cell, click right button and select insert comment. We can see here the comment box. Click the comment box and right button on our mouse and select format comment. Then go to the color and line option. Then select the color drop down menu, choose fill effect. Then go to the picture section. Then click select picture option. Then click work of line. Then select your picture from your file. Now I am select the image and click insert. Now we can see here the image. You can log the aspect ratio. Now I am check mark of this, click OK and again click OK. Then we can see here the picture on comment box we make easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.